One federal high court sitting for Port Harcourt don adjourn to September 29 the case filed by a Bayelsa state governorship aspirant of the All Progressive Congress, Isikima Johnson, wey dey challenge the eligibility of the party deputy governorship candidate Joshua Maseva for the November 11th election. Justice Mohammed Turaki, wey open ear hear the case as vacation judge, come direct say the file go return to Yenagoa, the jurisdiction of the matter, for continuation. Counsel to the All Progressive Congress Sylvester Eleman's son and counsel to Isikima Johnson, Kuredoge Lezua, come talk say
the matter is actually pending in Yenagoa, division of the Federal High Court, but because of the vacation, it was sent to this judge as a vacation judge for this area to handle. The vacation is ending tomorrow, so the judge has now directed that the file should return to Yenagoa for us to continue from where we stopped.
The matter is slated today for commencement of hearing on the substantive suits, as well as the notice of preliminary objection filed by the third and fourth defendant. However, the third and fourth defendants' counsel said they want to take their notice of preliminary objection alongside the substantive suits, since the ruling on it will be reserved to the final judgment. And they also pleaded that they intend to file their statement of defense today. Therefore, they should be given a date to enable them file their statement of defense so that the pleadings will be proper before the court before commencement of hearing. In view of the foregoing, the proceeding was halted today and it has been adjourned to the 29th day of September for definite hearing.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Rivers State, A. Carter Ujesele, TMC TV News.